Hi, my name is Sita Binti Hashim. I will start our presentation for our business plan. So, our business is established on January 2023 and owned by 6 partners. And our business is located at Medan Selera, Lorong Lautan Samudra, Bandar Puncak Alam. And our business is provide traditional food or snack, which is roti jala. Enak, sebarkan kepada kawan. Jika tidak, beritahu kami is our trademark and motto that represent that we are committed to only provide the highest quality of food to fulfill our customer desire and appetite. And as for vision, our vision is to become a leader in the food industry in the production of traditional snack and become the ultimate choice in a high institution category. And our mission is to have at least one branches of Sodap Licious in each IPT in Malaysia through the sales of roti jala. Business name and logo. So for our name, Sodap Licious, Sodap means sedap, while Licious stands for delicious, which is sedap in English. So this shows that we provide food or snack that are mouth-watering and could satisfy our customer when they eat them. And as for logo, we create based on the various factors, especially environmental factor and the target customer. Since the main target customer is student, the logo we produce is cheerful according to the taste of the today's teenagers. And next is food image on the logo. The food image show that the product we produce and the choice of color, which are yellow and brown. Yellow represent the original characteristic of roti jala, while the brown dip represent the innovative we will make. Next is our team. So here is our chat. So we can see that we have a general manager, administrative manager, marketing manager, operational manager, financial manager, and the financial assistant. Next is the problem faced by our company. So the first is a failure of equipment. This may caused by improper use or an improper care of equipment. Thus, this will make our production slow down and may bring harm to our staff. So to avoid this, we will teach our staff how to use the equipment properly and make a maintenance for our equipment for every 6 months. Second is rush order. We have to keep up with our customer order, especially during any festival or event. So this may lead to the shortage of raw materials. Thus, we have decided to order and prepare enough materials before entering the seasons like Hari Raya or wedding event. And lastly is transportation problem. So the late delivery for raw material will delay the production process. Thus, we have a backup runner if our transportation are facing any problem.
We provide training in terms of handling equipment and machine, production of roti jala and the gravy, which is curry, to our new employees, and to be forget to always check, update and revise the knowledge of existing employees to maintain high quality of the products is a solution we got for machine and equipment problem. Next solution, we have limiting amount of pre-order. The orders need to be made 1 week before the event and the amount of order maximum 200 pieces per customer and 4,000 pieces produced per day. Also, we have 1/3 order extra and twice a week as our solution. We always order more of raw material to cover the delay and high demand from customer either sudden order or festival season. We also separate big raw materials order into 4 times per month to control the quality and sustain the material chain. Matcha sauce, chocolate sauce, caramel sauce, strawberry sauce and condensed milks are the variety of gravy we offered beside fish curry, chicken curry and meat curry. Besides taking team order from the customer either for birthday event or wedding event, we also have rainbow roti jala, which yellow have normal flavor, red or pink are strawberry flavor, orange durian flavor, blue is yam flavor and green is apple flavor.
A customer is a person or business who buy goods or services from another company. Customers are important to a business because they help the companies increase its sales. Businesses cannot exist or grow without customers. We hope that by listing and using marketing and advertising, we will be able to effectively reach our target audiences and consumers. We also believe that by advertising our company on the internet, we will be able to outperform other companies in the market. Here we have three segmentation for our target market. Firstly, psychographic segmentation. Psychographic segmentation divides the market into groups based on social class, one position in society, lifestyle, and personality traits. Issues divide its target market into those who love to have a tea time with their loved one. Secondly is demographic segmentation. Demographic segmentation divides the market into groups that describe individuals such as gender, age, family size and family life circle, income, education, occupation, and religion. Issues targeted market is between the age of 7 until 17 years old that falls under all income groups. And lastly, geographic segmentation. Geographic segmentation divides each market on the basis of geography. A large market is spread into smaller segments, one such as country, state, region, and city. In Issues, we choose Puncak Alam as the location to operate the business, considering the surrounding area which is strategic location for students and families.
Next, the first competitive is Roti Jala Pelangi. They are able to design a lot of shapes using colorful roti jala. So, to compete with that, we will learn and practice multiple design so we can create a better image. Next is Roti Jala Tasty Mayo. They have been in the field for a very long time, so customers prefer to order from them. So, to compete with that, we will constantly post on social media so the customers will notice our product more.
Next is the financial projection for business auditions. This is the income statement for our company for 3 years. Based on our financial manager, the gross income for year 1 is 103,249 ringgit and 30 cents. For year 2 is 78,050 ringgit and 30 cents. And for year 3, the gross profit is 86,707 ringgit and 30 cents. After that, we will deduct with the total expenditure that include into our business to find the net profit for each year. However, there's no tax that will be charged, where the net profit before tax will be the same amount with the net profit after tax, which is 53,404 ringgit and 60 cents for year 1, 27,355 ringgit and 60 cents for year 2, and 34,227 ringgit and 60 cents for year 3. Lastly, we will calculate the accumulated profit to know the performance for our company. This is where the previous profit on the year 1 will be added with the profit on year 2 to find the accumulated profit on year 2. Then to find the accumulated profit for year 3, we plus the accumulated profit on year 2 with the profit on the current year. In order to open this business, we need a start-up money around 35,000 ringgit. We only have 35,000 from the contribution of shareholder, and another 30,000 we make a loan from CIMB Bank with the 5% interest for 3 years. So for our total capital to run our business is 65,000 ringgit. This is a break-even cash flow where for every year we get cash as surplus. It will be added with the beginning cash balance to find the ending cash balance. In year 1, there is no beginning cash since we start from the business for this year. So the ending cash balance is 58,356 ringgit. To find the ending balance for year 2, we will carry forward amount ending cash balance previous year becomes our beginning cash balance on year 2. Same goes to year 3, we will carry forward the amount of ending balance year 2 become a beginning cash for year 3, then we will get the ending cash on year 3. Next, we go to the project milestone, where this is procedure for Sodapicious company set up the business. Start with the incorporation of the venture. We start on 15 August 2022 until 1st September 2022. For completion of design and development, we start on 4th September 2022 until 17 October 2022. Next is the completion of prototypes. We start on 20 October 2022 until 22 November, and we took 1 month to get a better roti jala for our signature. For obtaining of sales and representative, we start on 17 November until 12 December 2022. The signing of distributor and dealer, we start on 15 December 2022 until 31st December 2022. After that, we start ordering of materials in production quantities on 10 January 2023 until 30 January 2023, and we start the production on 50 January 2023 and get the first order on the next day, which is on 60 January 2023. We took around 5 months before start the production because we make a R&D our signature to be the better one in Puncak Alam.
For the financing of this business, we got the contribution from our 6 partners, which are Muhammad Nasrul bin Zainal Anwar, 29%, Siti Aisyah binti Hashim, 17%, Nik Nur Nadira binti Nik Naha, 14%, Anisahila binti Muhammad Fauzi, 14%, Muhammad Zakwan bin Isra, also 14%, and lastly, Nurul Ain Najah binti Muhammad Amran, 12%. And the total of equity contribution is RM35,000. We also got loan from CIMB Bank of RM30,000 as the interest of RM4,500, which is 5% interest of the duration of 3 years. Next, how will we spend the money? With the contribution from the partners and the loan, we will spend the money to raw materials, machinery and equipment, supplier, utilities like electric and water bills and Wi-Fi, and lastly is office equipment. For the conclusion, our objective is to generate a substantial profit. With good cooperation and subordinate, we can compete fairly with our competitors. We also aim to provide affordable price to our customers, especially students that are near to our stall. It is because students cannot afford the overpriced just only for the food. But with our stall, students are able to buy food and it is also appetizing. Lastly, we are hoping that our stall can be a big brand name in the future so that we can open more branch, whether in Malaysia or internationally. There is a need for more improvement for our stall to stay relevant in the food industry. We will face various problems and obstacles on the road to business success, and we won't stop trying to figure out the best solution of all the obstacles.